Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you 5 must know shortcuts in Premiere Pro. So guys, if you select the V, click on V and it will automatically select the selection tool, and if you select the C option in your keyboard, it will select the razor tool like this, and again if you select H, it will select the hand tool like this, and if you select P, it will select the pen tool, and if you select T, it will select the text tool, like any text you want. So guys, that's the 5 must know shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.